2NSIP mic is an IP microphone console playing live or pre-recorded announcements. Together with the 2NSIP speakers, 2NSIP mic provides a complete voice announcement distribution system. It can accept and make calls to and from the 2N intercoms or MobiCall servers, listen to the zone traffic, schedule announcements and/or load own messages. This makes it an ideal solution for places where identical announcements are played several times a day, such as schools, amusement parks, stores or public transport terminals. Easy power supply via Power over Ethernet and programming via a web interface are additional bonuses. With integrated VOPX, 2NSIP mic is capable of playing announcements to access audio systems and cameras. Step 1. Plug the device, power socket or PoE, and wait for it to boot. Step 2. IP can be checked by turning the device off and on again, and right after the beep, press 5 times the disconnect call button. The device will then spell the IP address it has received or gave himself. Step 3. DHCP request should be active, so check with 2N Network Scanner application what the IP is. If no DHCP is present, configure your PC Ethernet card for address 192.168.1.1, in order to connect to the predefined IP on the mic, which is 192.168.1.100. Step 4. After accessing the device, default credentials will be username admin and password is 2N. It will then ask you to change the password. You are now logged in the device's graphic user interface. If the button lights are not alive after powering the device, then the device is not properly powered. Please check the power cable or PoE connection, and possibly try another cable, port, or power socket. If after connecting to the network, IP address is still 0.0.0.0, then probably the Ethernet cable or port are not okay. Please check with another Ethernet cable or port. It might be necessary to reset all the features on the device, recovering the factory configuration in order to replace it or for some other reason. Please be advised that this action will erase all device configurations, including the network settings and button configurations or any other configuration previously done on the graphic user interface. To perform a factory reset, please do the following steps. Press the small black button on the bottom of the device for 5 to 10 seconds, until all button lights turn red. The reset on the device is now being done. Wait for the lights to turn green again and wait for the beep, which means that the device has received an IP address from the network's DHCP. If none is present on the network, it will assign itself the following IP configuration. IP address 192.168.1.100. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Gateway 192.168.1.1. There are two applications that can be used to identify access devices on your network. There is the Access IP utility, a tool that is designed to sweep the network, locate all access devices, 2NSIP mic and loudspeakers, and returns the name, IP and serial number. There is also Access 2N Network Scanner, which is a program that can help to locate only 2NSIP microphones, no loudspeakers.